Introducing the first R85K production. Some were afraid to do it. Some thought it was suicide. We knew better, so we put a mortar shell in a microwave.
Oh my god.
Mortar shell.
Shoots flaming balls. See additional cautious on launch tube and box. And then it's like some Asian shit right here. Alright, Arnie, let's kill it, bro. Is that it?
That was it.
I shot outside of the microwave.
Saw the thing explode. What was in there?
That was the egg.
No. The egg would not have made the microwave explode. What was in there besides an egg?
Where did you go after?
Hey, what was in there?
It was the egg, and then we put some sparklers in there. And that's it.
What are you going to do right now?
It's fine. So we got the inside of the microwave.
Right, the roller is still fine. The bits and pieces of the egg, quote unquote, is like all right here.
Look at the freaking mortar.
And look at the front. The cage is gone.
The cage is gone.
Yeah, look over here.
Oh shit! What is that?
The plastic cover.
Wait, hold on. Put the light on that.
Look, you see this? And then that goes
Hold on, Vig. Hold on.
like that. It was like that. That's the front. It blew
So
the
the front
off.
is completely off.
The front cover's off. The glass is still here. That's still here.
Does it close?
It does not close. I think the spring must have fucked it up. Yeah, the plate's gone, obviously.
Plate's just so
about
fucked.
20 pieces. That's not, yeah. We did not touch it before we saw this, so.
Does the back have any damage?
I hope so. No, it's clean.
Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. Ni le bien.